Bloody skateboard, it's always in the way. I wish I'd have something to hang it up.
Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for dropping in. We're in a little bit of a different spot today. We're actually at home. So I came with this little idea because I kept tripping over my skateboard. So I thought I need to make a little hook for it to stay up. So this is a really short video actually. I just show you how I do it. It's a really simple hook. It literally comes under the trucks like that and does, as skater people would say, a maul grab on that way like that, and just attaches it to the wall. I initially wanted to do it so the bottom would show, so I wanted to hook it from this side, but I couldn't think of a really easy way, so I just went with the easy option. Bang, straight onto the trucks. The skateboard will be off the ground. I don't have to trip over it anymore. It's not in the way. And then when I want to use it, just grab it and go. So yeah, this is actually my gaming setup. So I do all my gaming recording from here. But in saying that, I'm going to show you how I did that in CAD, how to make the little bracket, show a quick time lapse as usual, show the install, and I guess you guys should hang around to the end because there is a giveaway. If you're not following me on Instagram, check it out, Without My Pants, on Instagram. Yeah, because that's going to be important. I'm going to do the YouTubey thing. Like, comment, subscribe, smash that like button, please, if you could. It helps the channel out. Yeah, so thank you for everybody for stopping in, watching. Yeah, thanks guys. And there'll also be a Thingiverse page link at the end, so you can make it yourself. So that'll be really cool. Anyway, thanks guys. Let's do it. Alright, so we're going to do the install. All printed, all nice and whatnot. This is my shed, my lovely shed that I built. I will show you that one day. And we're going to pop this right here, right there. We're just going to do with two simple screws. Two self-tapping screws. Two self-tapping screws. Phillips head, easy. I'm going to pop it up there, quickly show it. Show it all coming together, and that's a job done. I'm going to get to it. There you go. That's all in, all nice, secure. Put that back there. That's as easy as this. Skateboard. Done. That easy. Alright, to finish this video, as you know, and you saw in the time lapse, I printed 2 of these. So the first channel giveaway is going to be this. If you would like one, remember to subscribe, like this video, head over to Instagram, hit me up on a DM. First person to do that gets this. And then you'll be able to hang your skateboard just like that, nice and easy. Yeah, so that's our first channel giveaway. Just do as I said before. And yeah, till the next video, thanks a lot, thanks for watching, thanks for dropping in. See you guys, bye.